What's up, everybody? We are at the Museum of Brisbane. There's an exhibition on, but what we're doing is once a month we're going to do excursions as a team, and the point of the excursion is for us to be inspired and to think differently about how we solve problems from different industries. So yeah, welcome to this tour. It's called Sun in the City, I think, but we'll take you on. And basically it's how we can create better experiences, how we can communicate better, how we can display things visually better. But yeah, just here to be inspired. So excursions, get out and about, and you can join us on the future ones. But right now, the girls are shopping. We haven't even made it into the tour yet.
Of course, that'll be the first thing you fix. But look at the $1 million view.
She couldn't hold it in. Maybe don't actually.
In this same bridge, one morning in 1968, noticed a man fully clothed in an expensive suit. Another one was discovered in 1899. You've forgiven that dispossession. Your great-grandchildren gather at dusk at the top of the for you. When it happens to me, I shake my head, perplexed. That poem was so damn beautiful before it left my mind.
You look like a ninja. Oh god, a big Hannah, oh fuck. There's Victoria's bra. Hello boys and girls.
No petting the
The laziest team member.
My name is Taylor Watson. I'm a Birrigubba Congolese Maori from.
What was everyone's favourite from that museum?
I liked the pink room with the big swing. That was really cool.
How are you going to use it in your eLearning?
I don't know if I'll use that bit. I have noticed of the things I will use.
What do you like?
I loved that room, and I loved like the illustration with the real images. I think it's like cool to have like illustration with like real life imagery. It's really nice.
Yeah, they did that well.
What about you, Kit?
I like the poetry for communication. Like, I think it's good storytelling, and it sticks a bit more because you're like, that word rhymes with that rhyme. Word, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for joining us on our excursion. Go be inspired. Bye! The universe rewarded us. We're going out. What's up, awesome human? Thank you, thank you, thank you on behalf of myself and the Belvista Studios team for continuously choosing to learn with us. We really appreciate it. If the tips and the insights and the context resonate with you and you want to take your skills to the next level, or you want to make your life way easier, you will love our Creator Hub. The Creator Hub is a place for people like you and us. Basically, it's the stuff that we use internally at Belvista Studios, and then we just share it publicly with you. The Creator Hub is created by instructional designers for instructional designers, and what you'll love there at the moment is we've got a quiz, Could I Be a Better Instructional Designer?, that has so much tips in the feedback if you're interested in human-centered design or just taking your skills to the next level in terms of the solutions you're creating and the problems you want to solve. But in there as well, aren't we cute? That's us. But we've got the coaching courses, freebies, give us gratitude, and also we've got some templates. And basically they're always around the lens of learning experience design, instructional design, and e-learning. So a human-centered design focus is very much what we're about at Belvista Studios. So putting your learners at the heart of a solution and creating something for their needs. So there's the human-centered design stuff, and then we've also got the business stuff. So this is the stuff they don't teach you about when you want to become a freelancer or a consultant in the instructional design world. So go check it out. The link is in the description. You can check out everything that is available for you. Thank you for choosing to learn with us. Continuously invest in your skills. You will be rewarded as an instructional designer. Share this stuff, share it with other people, because when we are better instructional designers, we create better solutions that create better humans, that create a better world. So we have a very important role, and I'm excited to be on this journey with you. Have an awesome day.